55, southbound up to 3, Adam Union King, 30 Young, AUK, 30 Watt.
Okay.
So far, we find out the state is.
Negative 823.
Pursuit 55, southbound up to 3.
Check, you advise 55 southbound at Mount Walker 3.
Yeah.
I don't want any units direct to him. Did you advise he's in
Looks like a rollover.
55, no bound at 3.
Check, that's the advise.
14th and Raleigh 17.
2 southbound. Show me your hands!
That's a rollover to 2 southbound.
41, 23 vehicle description.
I got 2 subjects in the vehicle.
Show
me your hands!
They had traffic. I have D23 and he advised they were in pursuit unknown.
Driver! Driver! Exit the vehicle!
16 to the state unit.
Look at the movement.
3 people pursuing the vehicle.
Next thing you're showing me their hands.
Check the hands is on their radio.
23.
Hold on, let me turn the radio on.
Driver! Driver, show me your hands! Driver!
346 West Memphis unit, he advised he was in pursuit at 55 south at mile marker 3.
Okay.
Passenger!
Yeah, how far is that from,
Where's the driver?
the 10 is Marion, so you don't, they still ain't updated on the street channel, I got it on.
We're towards Tennessee. We're over here in front of the weigh scales. We've got a felony traffic stop. 2 occupants of the vehicle. Neither one are being compliant at this time.
346, I'm probably the closest West Memphis unit. I'll be there in just a second.
Passenger! 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 Show me your hands!
40 or 55.
55.
On them now.
Are you able to exit the vehicle?
So we're getting out with
West Memphis is out with us now.
you got some more state units coming through.
Crawl out! Where's the driver? Passengers crawling out! Passenger, let me see your hands.
46 officer. female. Get that correct. What is that female doing at this time?
She's just not blind in the line of fire. Just needs to be moved.
Okay.
23 to 15. There's a passenger on the ground just outside of the vehicle. I don't know where the driver is. Do you only have one?
No, I was not.
Yes. There was two. Where'd the driver go?
I don't know. He's in the car. In the truck.
Hey, he's still going to put you in handcuffs. We've got one in custody. We're still looking for one. He's in the vehicle. 23, he's in the vehicle. Hey, driver. Driver.
You guys here in the vehicle?
10-4. Go ahead and clear the net. Go ahead and put 10-16. Driver appears to be unconscious at this time.
Breathing.
Okay.